Welcome to the PMI-PMOCP Certification Introduction. In this lesson, we're going to explore what the PMI Project Management Office Certified Professional Credential represents and why it has become an important qualification for modern PMO leaders. The PMI-PMOCP certification is designed for professionals who work in or alongside PMOs and want to strengthen their skills in governance, alignment, and value delivery. This course will guide you through the purpose of the certification, what it means for your career, and how it supports organizations that rely on structured project delivery. By starting with a clear understanding of the certification's role, you'll gain a solid foundation for the deeper topics we'll explore throughout the program. Let's begin by looking at what PMI offers and how the PMOCP credential fits into the broader landscape of project management expertise. In this section, we take a look at PMI's broader certification program. PMI supports a global community of project professionals through a structured range of certifications that validate different skill sets and levels of expertise. These certifications are recognized worldwide and reflect PMI's commitment to maintaining high standards across the project management profession. The PMOCP credential sits within this ecosystem as one of PMI's specialized certifications. By pursuing it, you're aligning yourself with a reputable professional body that creates internationally recognized standards, best practices, and career pathways. The program emphasizes continuous learning, professional growth, and real-world applicability, ensuring that certified professionals are equipped to lead in dynamic, complex environments. This context helps you understand the value of being part of PMI's global certification community. Here, we explore the different categories of PMI certifications. PMI organizes its credentials into three primary groups: core certifications, advanced credentials, and specialized certifications. Core certifications, such as the PMP and CAPM, establish essential project management knowledge. Advanced credentials, like PGMP and PFMP, validate strategic leadership in managing programs and portfolios. Specialized certifications target niche areas, including agile practices, risk management, scheduling, and PMO leadership. The PMI-PMOCP falls into this specialized category, making it especially relevant for professionals who want deeper expertise in PMO structures, value creation, and governance. Understanding how this certification fits within PMI's framework highlights its role in strengthening your professional identity and positioning you as a subject matter expert in PMO practices. This slide helps you determine whether the PMI-PMOCP certification aligns with your professional goals. The credential is ideal for individuals who work within PMOs, manage PMO functions, or aspire to move into PMO leadership roles. It's also valuable for those who regularly collaborate with PMOs, such as project managers, program managers, consultants, and business leaders. The certification validates your ability to align PMO activities with organizational strategy, support value-driven delivery, and enhance performance across project environments. If you're looking to deepen your understanding of how PMOs operate, influence strategic decision-making, and guide project practices, this certification offers the tools and recognition to help you advance. This slide invites you to reflect on your current responsibilities and career direction to determine whether PMO leadership is part of your future. Now we explore why the PMI-PMOCP certification matters. Organizations increasingly depend on PMOs to drive consistency, support transformation, and ensure alignment with business goals. The PMI-PMOCP credential demonstrates your ability to design and adapt PMO structures that meet the unique needs of your organization. It shows that you understand how to balance standardization with flexibility, ensuring the PMO provides value rather than becoming an administrative burden. The certification also validates your capacity to measure performance, strengthen governance, and support long-term success. One of the most powerful aspects is its focus on cultural alignment. PMOs are not one-size-fits-all, and this certification highlights your ability to tailor PMO services to fit an organization's mission, strategy, and operating environment. This level of adaptability is highly sought after in today's business landscape. In this slide, we begin outlining the core eligibility requirements for the PMI-PMOCP certification. PMI requires candidates to meet three main criteria: education, professional experience, and PMO-specific training. These requirements ensure that every candidate starts with a solid understanding of project management principles and has exposure to environments where PMOs operate. Meeting these prerequisites means you are prepared to understand the more advanced concepts that the certification covers. This slide sets the stage for evaluating your qualifications and identifying what you may still need to complete before submitting your application. It's an important step in ensuring that your journey towards certification begins on a strong foundation. Continuing with eligibility details, this slide clarifies the three components you need to qualify for the certification. First, PMI requires a secondary level education, which ensures all candidates start with a consistent academic baseline. Second, you must have at least 3 years of project management experience, or alternatively, hold an active PMP certification. This requirement ensures that candidates have sufficient exposure to project environments and stakeholder engagement. Third, you must complete 10 contact hours of PMO-specific education or training. This helps ensure that you are familiar with PMO concepts before you begin the certification process. Together, these requirements demonstrate PMI's commitment to maintaining quality and ensuring that PMOCP holders are experienced and well-prepared professionals. This slide introduces the 6 major domains that form the structure of the PMI-PMOCP exam. The certification covers a comprehensive range of topics that reflect the real responsibilities of PMO professionals. These include organizational alignment, PMO strategy, design and structuring, operations and performance, enhancement and effectiveness, and people leadership. Each domain contributes a portion of the total exam questions, giving you a clear understanding of where to focus your study efforts. The domains ensure that candidates have a balanced understanding of both strategic and operational areas of PMO management. By becoming familiar with this structure early on, you can plan a study approach that strengthens your knowledge across each competency area and prepares you effectively for the exam. In this slide, we dive into the first 2 domains: organizational alignment and strategic elements. The first domain emphasizes the importance of aligning PMO initiatives with organizational strategy, culture, and long-term goals. Successful PMOs support the business by ensuring that project work reflects broader priorities and contributes to strategic outcomes. The second domain focuses on defining the PMO's value proposition, establishing strategic plans, and positioning the PMO effectively within the organization. Together, these domains form the foundation of PMO leadership. They ensure that the PMO is not just operational, but also strategic, serving as a bridge between high-level organizational needs and on-the-ground project delivery. Mastery of these domains helps you strengthen your ability to influence decision-making and support strategy execution. Here, we explore domains 3 and 4, which cover PMO design and PMO operations. The design domain focuses on choosing the right PMO model, defining governance structures, and determining how the PMO integrates into the organization's hierarchy. It emphasizes tailoring the PMO based on organizational needs rather than applying a generic template. The operations domain centers on day-to-day PMO activities, including service delivery, performance monitoring, reporting, and process optimization. These areas reflect the practical side of PMO management, ensuring that services are executed efficiently and consistently. Understanding both design and operations helps you create a PMO that is not only well-structured, but also capable of driving real, measurable improvements in project performance. This slide focuses on domains 5 and 6, covering PMO enhancement and people leadership. The enhancement domain highlights the importance of continual improvement, maturity assessment, and optimization of PMO services. PMOs that evolve over time deliver increasing levels of value and adapt to organizational changes. The sixth domain addresses the human side of PMOs: leadership, communication, talent development, and stakeholder engagement. Since PMOs often work across departments and influence multiple teams, strong people skills are essential. These final domains ensure that PMO professionals not only understand frameworks and processes, but also excel at leading teams and fostering collaboration. A successful PMO must perform well operationally and also create an environment where people can succeed. In this slide, we break down the examination format so you know exactly what to expect. The PMI-PMOCP exam consists of 120 questions in total. 100 of these questions are scored, and the remaining 20 are unscored items used to test potential future exam content. You will have 165 minutes to complete the entire exam, which provides enough time to approach each question thoughtfully. The exam includes both multiple choice and multiple response questions, allowing PMI to evaluate a range of competencies. The exam is delivered in English and can be taken either online with remote proctoring or at an authorized testing center. Understanding the structure of the exam ahead of time helps reduce anxiety and ensures that you can plan your study strategy effectively. This slide outlines how long the certification remains valid and what is required to maintain it. The PMI-PMOCP certification is valid for 3 years. To renew it, you must earn a total of 30 Professional Development Units, or PDUs. These represent ongoing professional learning activities that keep your knowledge current and your skills sharp. PMI encourages certified professionals to expand their expertise over time, and the renewal process supports this ongoing development. Maintaining your certification shows your commitment to staying aligned with industry standards and ensures that you remain competitive within the PMO profession. Planning your PDU activities early can make the renewal process smooth and manageable. In this slide, we explore the different ways you can earn the PDUs required to maintain your certification. PMI offers 8 flexible options to help you grow professionally. These include taking structured courses or training programs, working directly as a PMO or project management practitioner, and creating educational content such as articles or videos. You can also earn PDUs by delivering presentations, participating in professional meetings, volunteering, reading relevant books or articles, or mentoring others. These pathways give you the freedom to choose learning activities that align with your career goals and preferred ways of developing your skills. This flexibility ensures that maintaining your certification enhances your professional journey rather than adding unnecessary complexity. This slide provides an overview of the course agenda and what you can expect throughout your learning journey. The course begins with foundational concepts, helping you understand the role and mindset required for effective PMO leadership. You will then explore the PMO Value Ring Framework, a widely recognized model for designing and improving PMO services. Next, you will delve into the value-generating PMO flywheel, which explains how PMOs can continuously grow their impact within an organization. The course also includes tips and strategies to help you succeed on the exam, as well as practical guidance on completing your application. This structure ensures that you gain both theoretical knowledge and practical tools for achieving PMO success. Here we introduce the PMO Practice Guide, which provides a comprehensive perspective on modern PMO leadership. The guide emphasizes the strategic importance of PMOs in helping organizations achieve alignment between strategy and execution. It blends academic research with real-world insights, offering frameworks and strategies for demonstrating PMO value, supporting decision-making, and fostering continuous improvement. The guide also highlights the need for PMOs to anticipate future challenges and proactively adapt to evolving organizational needs. This forward-looking perspective ensures that PMO leaders are prepared to operate in increasingly complex dynamic environments. This slide reinforces the importance of continuous learning and innovation in PMO leadership. This slide identifies the different audiences who can benefit from the PMO practice guide and the broader PMOCP certification. The material is relevant for PMO leaders, PMO consultants, executives who oversee PMO functions, project management practitioners transitioning into PMO roles, and team members working within PMO environments. It is also useful for PMO customers, such as department heads or business partners who rely on PMO services. Finally, the certification is ideal for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of PMO best practices. By recognizing the diverse audience, the certification reflects the wide-reaching impact PMOs have across organizations and the importance of building shared understanding among all stakeholders. In this final slide, we explore the sources that shape PMI's approach to PMO excellence. The PMOCP certification is built on a rich combination of global practitioner insights, academic research, cross-disciplinary thinking, and lessons learned from high-performing PMOs around the world. These foundations help shape innovative concepts such as customer-centric PMO services, advanced maturity models, integrated agile practices, and value measurement techniques. The certification encourages PMO professionals to think beyond traditional administrative roles and evolve into strategic partners who drive meaningful results. As you complete this module, you're stepping into a body of knowledge that is both practical and forward-looking, preparing you to contribute to the future of PMO leadership with confidence and clarity.